Welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and today we are going to do the September Petit Vour box. And I apologize if there's any glare with my glasses, but I didn't get this filmed before I put them on and started doing stuff today. So let me just get myself adjusted. So here is our box this month. I have been working on using all the goodies to let you know how I feel about them and if I would repurchase any. So it says, this month's box is filled with decadent, replenishing, and restorative little luxuries you'll look forward to using again and again. Coat your lips with a hydrating lip crayon, your skin with an aromatherapy bath oil, and nourishing body butter, and your hair with a shine restoring shampoo and conditioner. So let's jump into it. The first thing that we got is from a brand called, I think it's Axiology or Axiology. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's made with organic ingredients. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Anything else interesting? The box is 100% recycled paper, handmade by women artisans in Bali, which that's very cool. It also says Axiology contributes to animal welfare organizations. So, lipstick connoisseurs rejoice. This ultra chic lip crayon replenishes and hydrates with a matte finish that doesn't lose its luster. The all-star ingredient, avocado butter that plumps lips and smooths wrinkles. So this retails for $26. I got the shade Enduring. Just have to remember how to open this box. It's kind of cool packaging. I really like it. So this is the lip crayon. Very, very pretty. I still have swatches from when I was at Ulta earlier today. So this is the shade. I forgot I was going to wear it, but I ended up not wearing it. So this is the color. It's just a very pretty, like, rosy nude. I don't want to say rosy nude, but like a warm rosy, like your lips but better kind of a thing. I did wear it in something, one of the pictures on my Instagram, and I got a ton of compliments on it. So the formula was really comfortable, and yeah, I'm excited to try some more things out from this company and see what else they are all about. So next up is a bath oil. This is from a company called Ulverum, I think. Ulverum, something like that. This gorgeous bath and shower oil is made in the UK with organic essential oils, super concentrated and easily absorbed. This oil will quickly become your go-to. Add half a capful to your bath or massage into your torso for a shower. This size, it says it retails for $13. I don't know what the full size retails for. It said that this is enough for 3 baths. So I like it, but there is something in it that is too strong for me. And I actually got a headache while in the bathtub. It doesn't say what oils are in this one. But I had a little bit of a headache when I tried it the first time, and it just seemed like my headache got worse. And there's just something in it that I'm even already now, since I smelled it, starting to get a little bit of a headache again. So there's something in it that's just a little too strong for me, which is kind of a bummer because my skin felt really nice after I poured this in the bathtub. It definitely doesn't like disappear. It really, like, the water was like beating off of my skin. It was like really nice and relaxing, but there's just something in it that doesn't agree with my head, unfortunately. So it wouldn't be something that I would repurchase unless they had like a different oil blend that didn't bother my head. So next up is from a brand called Evolve Evolve. I don't know if it's Evolve or Evolve H, if you're supposed to say the H. But this is the Ultra Shine Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. It says these little sample duos retail for $5. I'm not sure what the full size retail for, but this says the ultimate multitasker. This duo was created for all hair types, volumizing, frizz diminishing, color protecting, and anti-aging. This is the duo for super clean, ultra shiny hair. I did not find it volumizing. Personally, I would have never guessed that this was a volumizing shampoo. My hair is pretty shiny because of the dye that I used, that was used on it, and the conditioning treatment. So didn't notice a whole lot. To be honest, I just wasn't a super huge fan. Like, I didn't love it, but I didn't hate it. So this isn't something like this particular formula I wouldn't go for again. I did feel like I had to wash my hair twice to get it clean with this. It just didn't seem like it was really clean after one shampoo. And the conditioner was just kind of okay. It just sort of felt like it disappeared into my hair, and then I couldn't really tell if it did anything. So I wouldn't write this brand off completely. I just didn't really like the formula of this particular one. So maybe a different formula would work better for me. And last but certainly not least, and I have hairs all over me, this is from Andalou Naturals. This is their Kukui Cocoa Body Butter. I love this stuff. Let me tell you. This says rich with argan oil, Hawaiian kukui, aloe vera, shea, and cocoa butters. This all-over body treatment pampers and protects the skin's moisture barrier for irresistible softness. This supposedly retails the size for $2. I will definitely repurchase this in a full size. It smells so good. Ugh. It smells like every little local shop in Hawaii that I've walked into, and I know it's the kukui nut in here. Yeah, it smells so delish. But yeah, it reminds me of going into like little local boutiques in Hawaii and all the like local concoctions that they make. It smells just like this. It's not like a tropical fruity. It's like a tropical nutty, I guess, because of the kukui nut. And you can also smell the cocoa in there too. Yeah. It's always fun living across the street from school and have everyone honking at each other while school's getting out. So anyways, that is the September box. These two are really my favorites, the Axiology Lip Crayon and the Andalou Naturals Kukui Cocoa Body Butter. These are my favorites. So I had a couple of duds this month, but you know, that's just how it goes sometimes. And that's the fun of Petit Vour, is that you get to try things out without buying a whole big thing of it. You can try it in smaller size and then figure out what you really love. So that's it for me. Was there anything in the box that you thought you might be interested in trying? Let me know down below. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as part of the family. So be sure to click that subscribe button and the little bell so that you'll always be notified when I upload. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up and a like. It really helps my channel out. And that's it for me. I will see you all again soon.